Let's tackle about
The rainy season is upon us. Let's talk about how we can stay safe and protect our health. First, stay at home and don't go outside. And when it rainy season, we need a waterproof jacket, boots, and umbrella. Why? Why we need this? Because we use raincoats, boots, and umbrella to shield our sleeves from rain and to keep you dry and comfortable all the day. Breathable fabrics allow you sweat in the form of water vapor to escape from the inside of the fabric to the outside. And how driving safety? Why do we need this? To be careful while driving because the road is wet and we can have an accident because of the slippery road. How to stay healthy? Just stay at home when it rains heavily and don't go outside because we can get a sick and have leptospirosis and dengue because of the flood and heavy rain. And how can we be safe even if we were at home? Keep an eye on the electricity and if it's fluid outside. And always look at the roof if there's a hole in it. We need to prepare our emergency kit or emergency bag. What in the bag or inside of the bag? We need emergency kit, emergency flashlight, power bank, extra clothes, and food. We need this in case of an emergency. And let's recap. First, stay at home to be assured and safety. Stay safe. Driving safety to avoid an accident. And we need sure that we are safe and prepared an accident emergency kit in case of an emergency and keep an eye on the weather. Sabi nga ni Kuya Kim, weather lang yan.